Welcome, designers. Ready to supercharge your design game? Today, we're revealing the top 5 essential Canva apps that will turn your projects from drab to fab in no time. We're diving into creating a smartwatch ad design. Here's the quick preview of the final output of this tutorial. Alright, the first step, finding a watch mockup. Head to the Apps tab and search for Mockups. Now let's upload the interface of the watch. Perfect, we've got our product. Next up, let's add a slick reflection using the Easy Reflections app. Search for Easy Reflections. There are different settings here. First is the position. We'll select below to make it look like the watch is standing. Next, adjust the offset. This controls the transparency on the other side. Next, let's add a background color. Let's use the Gradient Generator app. You can generate a few colors or set your color palette by changing the colors right here. Now let's send it to the back. Click Position, then Layers tab. Drag the color to the bottom. Now let's add the text. Next, let's emphasize the title Smartwatch and make it look a bit wavy. In a normal text, we can add effect, but we can't customize it. That's why we'll use TypeCraft app. You can type in the text here. Let's write Smartwatch. Set the font to Anton and the color to gold. We can now tweak the text to give it a wavy effect.
2,000 years later.
Our design is almost done. Now let's add a solid color below the product to enhance the reflection, but I want it to have a wavy pattern to match our title. Introducing the fifth app, Canwave. And there you have it. We've designed Smartwatch Ad with the help of these 5 essential apps. From reflections to text effects and even creating waves, these tools have made our design journey a breeze. Thanks for joining me today. If you found these apps as game-changing as I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.